Hello guys, I'm not feeling well today. So, gagawin ko, ah, gagawa ako ng herbal tea para sa ubo. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Papakita ko po sa inyo na every time na inuubo ako, nagbo-boil lang ako ng mga dahon-dahon at saka yung mga condiments dito sa kusina. Yun naman guys, pag OFW ka, kahit na masamang pakiramdam mo, papasok ka pa rin kasi inaasahan ka ng mga amo mo sa bahay na magtatrabaho para sa kanila. Lalo na sa akin, bali, ako lang mag-isa dito kasi yung kasama ko na Ginyana, minsan pumapasok siya 10:30 ganyan. So, ako lang ang maagang pumapasok ng alas 7. Tapos, kailangan yung mga bata makapasok sa school ng 8. So, ako magpiprepare ng pagkain nila sa umaga, tsaka yung baon nila, tsaka syempre magbibihis sa kanila. Tapos, afternoon, ayan yung mga aso. Tapos sabi ng kasama ko, pag umabsent daw ako, maghanap daw ako ng kapalit kasi ayaw niya daw tanggapin yung trabaho ko. Ayan. So, kailangan ko talagang pumasok kahit na mabigat ang katawan mo, papasok ka pa rin. Ganyan talaga ang buhay namin mga OFW. Diba? Yun lang.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Masarap siya kasi mainit-init. Sarap guys.